Toyota Harrier, a luxury crossover SUV created by Toyota Motor Corporation. From Japan, top quality with care, WEINS TOYOTA Kanagawa. Toyota Harrier, grade is elegance, 2014 model year. Take a look at the Harrier reviews on one of Japan's largest car social networking sites. This graph shows the ratings of 3 Japanese people who own a 2014 Harrier ELEGANCE. User review is very good and average score is 4.33. Customer 1 user review is good. It's not loaded with luggage and it's underpowered, but if you don't load it that much and drive it calmly, you won't feel underpowered, so I personally don't have any complaints. He also commented, I have no complaints personally. Customer 2 user review is also good. He commented, I use it for shopping and leisure. I don't find it hard to carry enough luggage for everyday use. Fuel economy is better than I expected. Acceleration could use a little more work, but I like to ride comfortably, so it doesn't bother me that much. The car is very good. Customer 3's rating is standard. He commented, good fuel economy. It may not be suitable for long drives. Tires me out. Worried about how long the drive battery will last. Toyota Harrier, grade is elegance. Overall length 4,740 millimeters. Overall width 1,855 millimeters. Overall height 1,660 millimeters. A simple yet flowing coupe form that combines elegance and muscularity. Even with seating for 5 passengers, the Harrier's spacious interior is appealing. The stitched, soft padded upholstery evokes the image of fine handcrafted tailoring. Mileage is 71,834 kilometers. Engine is push start. Equipped with a rear-view camera to reduce the burden on the driver when parking. Bluetooth connection is available. This car has alloy rims. Toyota Harrier. You will experience the sense of security and coziness that you will feel the moment you step into this vehicle and be enveloped by it. Your next journey begins here. We have a large selection of these high-quality cars. Contact WEINS TOYOTA Kanagawa today. We offer the highest quality products. This is our inventory control yard located in Japan, Yokohama. Many vehicles are managed in our spacious premises. We have a wide variety of vehicles, and we are sure that you will find one that meets your needs.